Let me turn the dishwasher into a toy. Telephone! Yeah, telephone. Someone will get it. Telephone!
Hello?
Uh-oh. Ooh.
Something about CBS extra bucks. Ow! Wow, you're being extra cute. Can I get some Tylenol? He's busy.
Yes, thank God.
What?
Thank goodness. He's sort of the philosophy that inanimate objects should get out of his way when he's walking by. He's not one to, like, watch where he puts his feet, you notice?
Yeah.
I think the strap is around his foot.
In.
There he goes. There's a really cute book I got from the library about what your toys do when you fall asleep.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta read the book.
I'll read the book.
I think you should. Look, there's Peachy Peach.
Yes!
Hi! Yes.
How are you, Punk? Oh! Oh, you should probably need one.
You wanna say bye-bye?
Was that it for our video?
I think we're gonna turn it off because I think it's dim. By the time I upload it, it's probably not going to be very bright. And I... When did I say that? Hi.
Hey, that's some serious walking there, pal.
I'm walking. Yes, indeed, and I'm a-talking. Yes, indeed, and I'm sitting on my little rear end. And I'm
You
standing.
gonna chase me? Hey, Andrew.
Whoa.
Andrew.
And I'm stumbling, but I'm okay now, and I'm walking. Walking across the house.
Oh my God! Don't let him get me, Aaron. Oh!
You gonna get him? Go get that daddy man.
Oh! No! Get him away from me! Oh! Ow! I'm gonna get him.
Little plumber's crack there. Sorry, folks.
Oh, he's after me, Aaron. Oh! Oh! Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh, he got me!
Watch it, watch it. Watch out, there's a stove. there goes all the lids. See? Dishwasher as toy.
Oh, it's made safe.
Yes. As can be, you know, under close supervision. I was running out of ideas.
Oh wow, I got a piece of banana. Yes.
Welcome to the Sita household. What was that all about?
I was trying to flip the piece of banana off my banana.
Okay, and on that lovely note, we leave you. Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Say bye-bye, Andrew! Andrew! Well, he's a little busy. Andrew's gonna cook us dinner. We'll let you know how it tasted. Bye-bye!